back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be guiding you on how to put a password on your Netflix profile to protect it from unauthorized access. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you're new to our channel. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Netflix application on your mobile phone. Tap on the Edit button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will notice that there is no option to lock and protect the profile from the app. Instead, open any browser on your device, whether you're on an Android or iOS device, and search for netflix.com. Once the home interface loads up, log into your account using your email address and password. On the top left-hand side of the screen, tap on the 3-bar icon. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on the account option, and you will be taken to a new page where you can customize your account settings, such as email, password, phone number, and more. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Control section and select the profile you want to lock by tapping on the down arrow icon next to its picture. You will see a new screen with the option to customize your language, viewing restrictions, and profile lock. Currently, the profile lock is set to off. Tap on the Change button on the right-hand side of the screen, enter your Netflix account password, and tap on the Continue button at the top of the screen. Check the box that says Require a PIN to access this profile and enter a 4-digit PIN to lock the profile. Make sure you type the PIN correctly and tap on the Save button. Your profile will now be successfully locked. If you try to access the locked profile on the Netflix app, you will be prompted to enter the PIN you just created. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to put a password on your Netflix profile. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more guides and tips.